This is Populations and Resources Lesson 3.4 Activity 4. In this activity, you're going to begin a model that helps ecologists at Glacier Sea Research Center better understand the claim that you wrote about in Activity 3. So there are two versions available, one for the algae claim and one for the walleye pollock claim. So if you chose the algae claim, that is the modeling tool that you're going to want to get from Canvas. So you can see here that you would download either the algae or the walleye pollock. So if you chose the algae in Activity 3 as your claim, which was Claim 1, then you will download the modeling tool for the algae. If you chose Claim 2, which is the walleye pollock, then you'll download the modeling tool for walleye pollock in Canvas. If you chose both claims, just pick one that you'd like to do. So it doesn't matter, just pick one. So when you download it, you're going to see something like this. And so again, I just had to move inside because weed whacker went off or something. And anyways, so in this modeling tool, you can see that they now include three populations: algae population, zooplankton, and moon jelly. So you're going to be having to fill out all three. You can see this is a stable ecosystem at the top, equal number of births compared to deaths. And so you're going to need to show your algae claim. So what happened to the population here? How does that affect energy storage molecules moving to here? What happens to the population here? How does that affect energy storage molecules moving here? And then same, how does that affect the population here? You should also be showing energy storage molecules up in these arrows, so that if you're showing there's more moving or less moving here, you have something to compare it to. So let's say you do 3 dots here, then if you want to show less energy storage molecules, you'll do less than 3, or if you want to show more energy storage molecules, then you do more than 3. And then same here. So one of the things that I see in the modeling tools a lot is people will put a B in these already existing boxes. These are already energy storage, these are already organisms. They're saying there's 6 organisms. So if you want to show that there's more births, you need to add a box and then put a B, because you're showing that there's births. That means that there's more than 6. One of these 6 gave birth to another one, so you would add a box and put a B in it. So you're showing that the population is getting bigger. So make sure if you're going to do a birth, that you add another box to show that. So the algae claim states that a change to the size of the algae population caused the jellies to increase. So in your model, the change to the algae would be the first change. Since we know that algae are not a consumer or resource population of jellies, it must be an indirect effect. The change to the algae will cause something else to happen, and that is my second change. This change will lead to something else, and that would be my third change. So if we look at the algae, the walleye pollock, there it is, modeling tool, you can see it looks a little different. So you're going to start wherever your claim is. So your walleye pollock is saying something happens here to this walleye pollock population, so you'll do that and then show what happens, and so it's sort of in order here. So depending on which claim you chose, or if you chose both claims, make sure you download the appropriate modeling tool into Notability, complete the modeling tool, and use Amplify and this video to help you with instructions, and then turn in your modeling tool into Canvas, and then that's it.